Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole. Sunday evening, October 25th, as we move into week 11 of Political Science 3753 Con Law for the fall 2020 term. Everyone, beginning this week, we look at some of the rights and freedoms that we enjoy under the First Amendment and other provisions of the Bill of Rights and the 14th Amendment as well, beginning with freedom of speech this week. Now, later this week, we will take quiz number 6. That is coming up on Thursday. And we sent you links to 2 articles to read, offering pro and con points of view on the issue of hate speech, which is something that's become a terribly fraught issue over the past few years in America. Okay, we tend to take a fairly absolutist attitude toward freedom of speech, although it's never quite been totally absolute. But that attitude has been called into question with respect to some of the controversial incidents that arguably have involved hate speech that perhaps poses a threat or a danger to people, or so it is argued. And so it is argued that perhaps we should take a less absolutist attitude towards speech like that. You'll see that discussed in the 2 articles, pro and con, that we've sent links to you for. And take a look at those and expect 10 true-false questions, about 5 on each, in the quiz that will be available to you all day Thursday, October 29th. We will chat about this issue and this material the previous evening, Wednesday evening, the 28th, for 45 minutes beginning at 7 p.m. Central Time. Now, on the syllabus, you're looking at the class notes for lectures 19 and 20 on freedom of speech this week. Okay, you'll find that there are a number of issues that are raised. The issue of whether symbolic activities or activities related to speech are protected under the First Amendment. And another issue that has been raised within the past decade or two, due in large part to some controversial Supreme Court rulings, such as in the Citizens United case. To what extent is campaign finance law a matter of free speech rights? The Supreme Court in the Citizens United case ruled that it was, up to a point at least, and some restrictions on campaign financing were ruled unconstitutional as a result of that ruling that goes back no more than a decade or 2 ago. Okay, the case of Citizens United versus the Federal Election Commission, which you'll see discussed in your notes, your class notes for lecture 20. Okay, so some knotty issues are raised by the law of free speech. And so you'll be looking at those issues in the class notes for lectures 19 and 20. And the reading that you'll be doing for the issue of hate speech, which we will discuss in the chat room. Let's see, that will be coming up Wednesday evening, the 28th at 7 p.m. Central Time for 45 minutes. Then the following day, we will take quiz number 6, based on two readings we've sent to you on the issue of hate speech. So we hope to see you in the chat room Wednesday evening at 7 before we take quiz number 6 all day Thursday, October 29th. So we hope to be seeing some of you in the chat room Wednesday evening. Good luck on the quiz and take it easy.